Ojwang mabende notimore e lwet obila ndalo machuok mokalo. Mabende odiochieng' manyoro bang' timone ringre mare bero, nyo lipot mar lakteche nyo yango ni ne owito ngimane bang' kane ode mopogore kod lipot mane riko chiw kod obila mane okoni ne ogo wiye korot mar odang'ech mane riko geng'ne. Ling mar jatend migao mar arita kaachiel kod piny owacho mamalo ewi nek mar Albert Ojwang en achiel kuom penjo mabende ne jatend migao nogo mano Kipchumba Murkomen norakore godo e kinde mane ochopo e nyim od bura mar senet mondo mi noduoke penjo mathoth manyaka sani oganda jo Kenya pod penjo kaluwore kod nek mar Albert Ojwang e lwet apisas mag obila.
In this sitting, we want to be very clear on who in the eye of the minister or the CS, who in the eye of the IG are the suspects in this matter.
The independence of institution is an extremely important value in our constitution. And as a result, Mr. Speaker, to insulate the National Police Service from interference from the executive, even the president, Mr. Speaker, is barred from giving directions to Inspector General of Police in regard to any investigations that are going on in a particular matter. And Mr. Speaker, we have agreed, Mr. Speaker, that the Inspector General of Police is going to therefore delve into the matter itself of what really happened so that this House can get the proper information. And then as a Cabinet Secretary, I will continue with my oversight responsibilities from the ministry side with policy directions and to respond to this House on those issues that are policy in nature.
Kata kamano Senator Okongo Mogeni okone Murkomen ni onge kaka serikal nyalo bedo ni oling'thi nyaka sani ma onge ng'ato ang'ata ma osemaki ewi nek mar Albert Ojwang.
So how can you come here, CS, this morning to tell us that the government of the Republic of Kenya has no eye, can say nothing? Do you want to tell us that the government of the day, led by the Commander-in-Chief, has got no supervisory powers over the police force in Kenya? Is that what you are telling the Senate of the Republic of Kenya?
Neno makorka kore ogai mar obila Douglas Kanja wacho ni Eliud Langat mabende nachielo kuom achije ma itudo kod nek mar Albert Ojwang kaluwore kod ng'ur mane ochwalo ne apisas mag kwach kich ni Albert Ojwang ne ondiko weche moko e mbui mare mar X mane tude kod weche mibadhi. Kanja olero kaka ne omako Ojwang e dala gi gwenge ma Kokwanyo kaunti Homa Bay ma ne riko chwe ma okele nyaka buri Nairobi kaindi kama ne gikone owito e ngimane.
On 4th June 2025, the Director of Criminal Investigations, DCI, received a formal complaint from Mr. Eliud Langat, the Deputy Inspector General in charge of the Kenya Police Service. The complaint alleged that false and malicious information had been published against him in the X. Specifically, the published information alleged that Mr. Eliud Langat had strategically placed his most trusted officers in charge of Directorate of Criminal Investigations, DCI, occurrence book, that is the OB, desks and traffic chiefs in order to control both revenue streams and intelligence flow. They arrived at Central Police Station in Nairobi at approximately 21:17 hours. At 21:24 hours, Mr. Albert Ojwang contacted his wife via mobile number to inform her of his safe arrival. It was reported by the officers manning the report office desk at Central Police Station, Nairobi, that they found Mr. Albert Ojwang unconscious at the cells during a routine visit. In light of the death in custody, the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, IPOA, was notified immediately to conduct a thorough, independent investigation. Additionally, to safeguard the integrity of the process and ensure full accountability, the following actions were undertaken by the Inspector General.
Magi timore kinde mabende eneno mane chiwo kod bad migepe mopogore ma rango tije mag obila pacho kaindi koro yango nyinge apisas mane ochopo edalagi Albert Ojwang magi kone omake ma obiro kode bure Nairobi kaindi. Magi gin Sergeant Wesley Korir, Dennis Kenyoni, Milton Mwanzi, Boniface Rapudo. Mane ochopo e par jaduong' Meshak Ojwang magi kone nokao wuode Albert Ojwang ma obiro kode bure Nairobi kaindi. Magi timore kinde mabende moko kuom jogo ma itudo kod ndiko e yor mbui manyaka sani bende gin achije kaluwore kod neno mano ochiw e nyim od bura mar senet. Pod ok ong'e kama nitiere ka seneta mar kaunti ma Homa Bay Moses Kajwang' dwaro mondo mi obila ochwal jogi e nyim od bura mar senet ka biro chuno mondo mi otim kamano.
Mr. Speaker, what Kenyans want to see is DIG Lagat not just stepping aside, but he should also go to a police station and record a statement and have his fingerprints taken, because there is no way you are going to carry out an investigation without addressing the proximate cause of the chain of events that led to the death of this young man. Mr. Speaker, we have been told that there are other suspects that were mentioned. There was Kevin, who was taken to Kenyanya and ultimately, I think, ended up in Kamukunji. What is the status? Are they still alive? Kevin, Dorcas, Peter, Douglas, Albert is dead. What about the other 4 that were advanced? We might need to issue habeas corpus so that they can be produced and we confirm that they're alive, because one of the co-accused is right now lying at the city mortuary.
Mageti Muriki mabende koro senators dwaro mondo mi jatend migao mararita Mano Kipchumba Murkomen ogwe tao ka giwacho ni nyaka sani koro tich otame. Seneta ma Kakamega Mano Boni Khalwale wacho ni Kipchumba Murkomen onge kaka nyalo bedo ni nyaka sani pod nitiere e apis kaluwore kod nek mar Albert Ojwang ka okoni oganda jo Kenya ni kod ichwang kaluwore kod kaka sirikal osebedo katayo chenro mar timo nonro kodaka meko mag jogo maitudo kod nek mar Albert Ojwang.
CS Murkomen, please, for the respect of this young man, you are yet to grow a child up to the age of 31. Can you immediately resign? You are not fit to be in that docket. Please, I beg you, it is not personal. And if you think I'm joking, you are a well-read man. You know that in 2011, in Tunisia, a street hawker by the name of Mohamed Baouzi was killed. And people came into the streets and the government of President Ben Ali was overthrown. You truly don't know what you're playing with. Please resign. You cannot be an inspiration to be in cabinet.
Mageti Muriki mabende